on the corresponding screen or the corresponding plane. Say this is your vertical plane and this is your horizontal plane. I project point A onto the vertical plane, I project point B onto the vertical plane, and if I join it using a straight line again, that will be the projection. Similarly, rather this will be the front view. Okay. And if I project point A onto the horizontal plane and I project point B onto the horizontal plane, and if I just join it on then the projection that I'll get, then this will be my top view of the straight line. So basically what I'm doing is I'm projecting point A on VP, projecting point B on VP, I'm joining it. So I'll get the front view. I project point A on the horizontal plane, I project point B on the horizontal plane, I join it, and I'll get the top view. And I will name this as A dash and this as B dash. This will be point A and point B, as you must have noted in the last class that front view is denoted by dash. So if this line was PQ, this will be P dash and this will be Q dash. And the top view, it is denoted by A and B. There is no dash in the top view. And as you have also seen in projection of points that the projectors, they lie on the same straight line. So A dash and A, so A dash and A will lie on the same straight line. Also B dash and B will lie on the same straight line. Okay. Now since you are unfolding the horizontal plane, what you are going to get is something like this. Say this is your paper, this is your XY line, right? So you should get something like this. Say something like this. This is say A dash, this is B dash, and A dash and A will be in same straight line, B dash and B will be in same straight line, and you just join it. So this is your front view and this is your top view. So it should look something like this. Okay, this is the basic concept behind projection of points. Someone is saying something? Someone is saying something? Any questions up to this?
Sir, how we will get to know the front view and top view?
How do we get to know?
The front view and top view.
Yes, you will. I will explain problems to you. Okay. I will be explaining different orientation of straight line. In this case, I will be explaining problem. Then you'll get to know how we get the front view and top view. For now, for the time being, have you understood the concept that you are projecting point A onto VP and HP and you are projecting point B onto VP and HP and you are joining them by straight lines? This is how you should be getting the projection. Have you understood that concept? Have you understood that
Yes, sir.
concept? Right? And C and P and B dash, that will be in same straight line, right? So this is the basic concept behind projection of points. Now coming to different position of straight lines, okay, and how to draw the projection. So a line which is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So how will be its orientation? A line which is perpendicular to horizontal plane and parallel to VP. How will it look like? So here we are going to concentrate mostly on first angle projection. First angle projection. We are going to concentrate on first angle projection. Okay. So here, let us just check out how it looks like. See, so this is the orientation where you have a straight line which is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and it is parallel to VP. So now if I project it, Okay, if I project it, so the straight lines will be, this will be one straight line, right? Say this is line AB. So here you have one straight line striking the vertical plane. Here you have another straight line striking the vertical plane, correct? This will be A dash and this will be B dash, and I join it by straight line. Okay, and what I'll now do is I will project this point here. Okay, I look at it from the top and I project it here. So this will be, at the top I have point A and at the bottom I have point B. So I will write A comma B. This point denotes projection of A as well as B. So like this, something like this. Okay, let us just see it step by step. So this is my straight line. First I'll be drawing the front view. Say this is AB. See, I have drawn projectors here and I have joined the 2 points. This is A dash, this point is A dash, and this point is B dash. Now I draw the corresponding top view. Okay, I look at it from the top. Initially, first point A will be visible to me, then point B will be visible to me. So how will I name this point? How will I name this point? It will be A comma B. So this is A comma B. Correct? Any problem in understanding this?
No, sir.
So,
Great. So this is how your projection will look like. So in your drawing sheet, this is XY. Okay, you draw A dash B dash, and on the same straight line, as I told you that point A dash and A will lie on the same straight line, B dash and B will lie on the same straight line. Okay, now suppose if it is given to me that this line AB has length 30 mm. Okay, it is given to me AB has length 30 mm. Point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Suppose in the question it is given to me that a straight line AB, it is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now this AB has length 30 mm, point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Sorry, point A is, say I increase it, say 80 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, now this is the case. AB has length 30 mm, point A is 80 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So how will I draw it then? So I will draw the XY line. First I will locate point A. Okay, point A is 80 mm above HP. Say this is A dash. This is say 80. This is 80. Okay, I have located A dash. Now AB has length 30 mm. So from here to here, I'll draw a straight line which is 30 mm. This will be how much? 30. And I have located point B dash. Now it is also given to me is that A is 30 mm in front of VP. So A will lie on this same projector. I draw it like this. So from here I take 30 mm. So from here to here I take 30 mm like this, and this will be point A. And B will also coincide along with this point. So this will be A comma B. Is it clear to you? So this
Yes,
is how
sir.
you are going to draw it. Easy?
Sir,
Yes,
sir, can you please keep the annotations?
I can keep. Whatever I am writing, whatever I am annotating, I'll keep it in the slide. That is what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Great. I'll
Yes.
do it. I'll do it. I'll keep
Sir,
it.
what is first angle projection?
Yes, yes.
Sir, what is first angle projection?
Your you have learnt about first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant, right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you have the object in first quadrant, that is called first angle projection. Whenever you have the object in second quadrant, it is called second angle projection. When the object is in third quadrant, it is third angle projection. And when the object is in fourth quadrant, it is fourth angle projection. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understood A dash B dash 30.
This one.
Yeah, sir.
I'll
Why A
repeat
dash
it.
B dash is equal to 30? I didn't understand.
I will repeat it. Just a moment. I'll erase this one and I'll repeat this. Okay, I'll just repeat it again. Please pay attention carefully. In a question, it is given to me, I have a straight line AB which is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. A straight line AB is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. It is given to me AB has length 30 mm. Okay, point AB, I mean the straight line AB, the total length is 30 mm. Okay, now point A is 80 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So projection of point A you can easily draw. Point A is 80 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So you can easily draw point A. This is my XY line. I locate point A. A is 80 mm above HP. So front view of A will be A dash. And where will it lie? 80 mm above the HP. Correct? It is also given to me that A is 30 mm in front of VP. So I draw the projector. So this is my projector. I draw this straight line because A dash and A will lie on the same straight line. Okay, so this is A dash 80 mm and at this point this is 30 mm. This is 30 mm, this is point A. Any problem in understanding this up to this?
No, sir.
Great.
No, sir.
Now it is given to me AB has length 30 mm, right? So B will be either 30 mm above A or 30 mm below A. You can take any case. Clear? That is common sense. It is given to me AB has length 30 millimeter. So I can take B above A dash. I can take B dash above A dash, 30 mm above A dash, or I can take it 30 mm below A dash also. Isn't it? Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is my point B dash and I join it and this will be 30. I could have taken B above also. 30 mm above also I could have taken. That is completely your choice. Until and unless something is specified, you could have taken B dash above also. Okay. Now I join it like this. So this is 30 and projection of B. Where will it lie? It will lie on the same straight line and just along with A, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is how we have got. Now it is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Now your question should be, what are the lines that will be dark and what are the lines that will be thin continuous line, right?
Yes, sir.
So this xy line, it will be thick continuous. Right? Dimension lines, they will be thin continuous. Dimension text, that will be thick using HB pencil. This is 2H pencil. This is HB pencil. Right? Point A dash, B dash and AB. Draw using HB pencil, that will be dark. Line A dash, B dash, that you can see here in the front view. This is your VP, this is your HP. Okay, the line A dash, B dash that I have joined, that will be again in HB pencil, or it will be thick continuous. Correct? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this case is clear to you?
Sir, one more
Yes.
doubt.
Huh?
Sir, the line B dash to AB, it will be what? Dark or thick?
This will be thin continuous. Okay, this is the projection line. This blue color line that you can see, blue line that you can see, that will be thin continuous. This is called projection line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, you have to write the VPH on sheet or not?
Yes, you have to write VPHP on drawing sheet. Okay. Else, if you do not write VP and HP, then also I should be able to understand which one is front view and which one is top view. Can you tell me how?
Sir, A dash, B dash and AB.
Exactly. A dash, B dash. That means front view. AB means top view. Now A dash, B dash, it is above the XY line and AB is below the XY line. That simply also denotes that this is first angle projection. If both the front view A dash, B dash and AB, it lies above the XY line, then my object is in, or my straight line is in second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
If A dash, B dash is below the XY line and AB is above the XY line, then what does it denote? My straight line is in third quadrant. So even if you do not write VPHP, if you give the proper annotations, if you give the proper naming of the points, from that also I will be able to understand that which one is front view and which one is top view. And I hope now you have got some hint that why it is called universal language of engineers. Okay? Anyone from India, anyone from USA, anyone from UK should be able to understand what information you are trying to give through your representation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Well, here you are doing a point A and point B on the same projection line. Why it is so?
I did not get your question.
Sir, point A और point B आप same projection line में ये कर दिए.
Same line में कर दिया, क्यों कर दिया?
हाँ.
That is what you are asking.
Yes, sir.
Projection of point सीखा था तुमने?
Yes, sir.
प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन, प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट में पॉइंट ए डैश और ए वो स्ट्रेट लाइन में होता था कि नहीं? क्यों होता था? हैव यू गॉन थ्रू द पीपीटी?
Yes, sir. No, sir. पॉइंट ए और पॉइंट बी तो अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते थे ना, एक ही प्रोजेक्शन लाइन में कर दी, पॉइंट ए और पॉइंट बी के लिए आस्किंग कर ले।
इसके लिए तुम्हें इसको समझना पड़ेगा। ये वाला डायग्राम समझा था कि नहीं तुमने?
हाँ समझे थे सर।
तो यहाँ पे क्यों पॉइंट ए और बी एक ही जगह में है और बी डैश ए डैश के नीचे क्यों है?
परपेंडिकुलर है।
तो क्वेश्चन भी वही है। A straight line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. The straight line AB has length 30 mm. Point A is 80 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Right? So obviously, if the line is perpendicular, B dash will lie in the same line. Either it will be above A dash or it will be below A dash.
Oh,
Right?
yes sir.
अभी समझ में आ गया?
Yes
Clear
sir.
है? So shall we move to the next case?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us now move to the next case. So a straight line parallel to VP and HP. Now here, if I give that a straight line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, then will you be able to draw the figure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it will just be the opposite.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do I need to explain it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You will be able to do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Just like this. So if this is my VP and this is my, say, this is my HP. So a straight line perpendicular to VP will be something like this. And this is parallel to HP, right? So here you are going to get something like this. This will be my front view and this will be my top view, right? This will be my top view and they will lie on the same straight line. So it will be something like this. This is my XY line. So again, say this is 80 mm. This will be point A. Again, this straight line is 30 mm in length. So I'll just join it. Say this is point B. This is 30 mm. This is 80 mm. Right? This is point B. Again, I draw a projector and here I will get A dash comma B dash. Say this is again 30 mm in length. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you should be drawing the case when you have a straight line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Just the opposite of this one. I'll keep the annotation so that you can keep it in mind. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So now coming to different position of straight lines where you have a line which is parallel to both VP and HP. So how will this look like? It will look something like this. And mind you, before going to this one, this A dash B dash that you have, this is my true shape. Okay? So since the straight line is parallel to VP, sorry, it is, it is parallel to VP. So I will get true shape in the front view. So here in this case, I will get true shape in top view. True shape in top view in this case. And in this case, we get true shape in the front view, true shape of the straight line. Okay. So whenever you have a straight line which is parallel to VP, then you are going to get the true shape and the true length on the VP. If the straight line is parallel to HP or the horizontal plane, you are going to get the true shape on the top view or on the HP. Have you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
So here, if a straight line is parallel to both HP and VP, then I should get the true shape on both HP as well as VP. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is AB.
Excuse me, sir.
I draw the front view.
Sir, can excuse me, sir.
I'll get A dash, B dash. I'll get AB, and this is how it will look like. This is A dash, B dash, and this is AB. Now say if I take a very simple problem definition, a straight line.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you once more explain what is true? 2 point.
What is
True. 2 points, sir. You are explaining
true
about
shape? True shape of the straight line, right?
sir, please.
See here. In this case, when straight line was perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, right?
Yes, sir.
Here you are getting the true length on the VP. Say if AB is 30 mm, right? Then you are going to get the complete length on the VP, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is the true length.
Yes.
The concept of apparent length, I'll come to that later. First, know what is true length. So whenever any straight line is parallel to a plane, if you draw the projection on that plane, you are going to get the true length.
Yes, sir.
That is what I was trying to say. So if the straight line is parallel to HP, you will get the true length on the HP. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if the straight line is parallel to VP, you are going to get the true length on the VP. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now the concept of what is apparent length, you are going to understand that after some time. Okay, just wait for 1 or 2 slides. Okay, I hope you have understood what true length is.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So now if a straight line is parallel to both HP and VP, then I'll get true length on both HP and VP.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? If this AB, this is AB, say this is 30 mm in length, right? Now if I draw the projection, then A dash B dash, distance between A dash B dash, that will be also 30, correct? And if I draw the projection on the top view, this is say point A, this is say point B, then this will be also 30 mm, correct? So both on HP as well as VP, I get the true length. Both on HP and VP, I will get true length of AB, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here I am drawing the front view. I'm drawing the top view like this, AB. And mind you, A dash and A, B dash and B, they will lie on the same straight line, right? This is projection of
Yes.
point A dash and A, and this is B dash and B are projection of point B. So B dash and B will lie on same straight line, and A dash and A will lie on the same straight line. And finally, it will look something like this. Now, if I just take a problem, a straight line AB is 40 mm in length and parallel to both HP and VP. The straight line is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP. Draw its projection. Now, if I have to draw its projection, what I'll do, I'll draw the straight XY line, right? It is given to me that the straight line is 40 mm in length and parallel to both HP and VP. The straight line is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP. So 40 mm above, 40 mm above, I draw a thin continuous line like this. So this is 40. Right? Now I locate point A and B on this line. Say this is my point A dash. Okay. Length is given to me how much? 40 mm. So this will be B dash. I join it using a HB pencil. Right? This will be 40. Clear? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now I'll draw projectors like this. I'll draw projectors like this and like this, right? It is also given to me the straight line is 30 mm in front of VP. So at this 30 mm distance, I draw a thin line like this. And now I locate point A, I locate point B, and I join it. Again, I draw, say this is point A. Again, I draw extension lines. This will be also 40. Okay. This will be how much?
30 mm.
Yeah. This is my XY line. This will be 30. This will be point A and this will be point B. Now this is 40. This is 30. And I have drawn the projection, right? Now here I have one redundant dimension. Which one can you tell me? Which I can eliminate, which is not necessary for me?
So 40. The
Exactly.
40.
So I just either in the top view or in the front view, I'll just show it once. I don't need to show it twice. So say I remove it from my front view. I'll just remove it. So if this is 40, obviously this will be also 40, that I can easily understand. So this problem is clear to you? So both on
Yes, sir.
HP and VP, I will get true length of AB, right?
Yes, sir.
Should I proceed to the
Yes.
next case?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Play.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Dr. Kadian, you would like to add something?
No, sir, it's fine.
Okay.
Please keep going.
HOD sir, Deepti Mishra sir, you are there?
No, I don't think so. He must be busy with some work.
Hello,
Okay,
am I
okay,
audible?
okay.
Am I audible?
I had a chat.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sir, they did
Yeah.
not have any doubt related to projection of points. So I started with projection of straight lines, sir.
They have been given some assignments related to projection of points.
Yes, sir, they have
So
been given.
they have done it. They don't have any doubt.
Yes, sir, they are saying that they are comfortable with it. So
Okay.
I started with projection of straight lines.
Okay. So in the projection of straight line till now you have finished that the line is perpendicular to one plane, parallel to the other plane, right?
Yes, sir.
Reference plane.
Right.
And the second case is parallel to both the planes.
Yes, yes. Next, we are going to proceed to inclined case.
Inclined case. So inclined to one plane and parallel to other plane,
Yes,
and then
this one,
inclined
this case.
to both the planes, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the important conclusion. So students, what are the important conclusion that you have received till now? Whatever you learn from the projections of straight line, students. Just go back to the
Yes.
just go back to the previous slide. Yeah, be here. So what are the important conclusions that you know from the projection of straight line, whatever you learn till now? I am talking about straight line. Anybody? Any out of 120 or 130 students, anybody wants to say something?
Sir, one thing that we learn is that the projectors, that is A dash and B dash and B, will be on the same straight line.
Very good. Fine. That is what I require to know. So till now, in the projections of point as well as in the projections of straight line, and that will be also continued afterwards, because in the case of point and in the projection of straight line, so that will continue with like vortices or points in the plane as well as in the solid case also. So in the case of point, the projectors lie in the same straight line. That means A and A dash, B and B dash lie in the same straight line. In whatever case may be, whether it is a first quadrant case or it is a second quadrant case or it is a third quadrant or fourth quadrant, whatever quadrant may be, first angle, third angle, second angle, whatever may be, always A and A dash, B and B dash lie in the same projector, same straight line. That is the important conclusion. You remember this one, because it will help to you in the coming slides. Therefore, I asked specifically to you. What is the other conclusion that you have derived till now? Just tell me. This is one you told, and I am very happy that at least you know this one. Second,
Sir,
second,
we need to mention the dimension only once.
yeah, you have to mention the dimension. He will tell you how to mention the dimension. Don't worry for that one. Second thing is that the top view always to be named as AB, and the front view is always to be named at A dash and B dash. Okay. So if the straight line name is PQ, then the top view will come small p small q, and the front view will come small p dash q dash. Clear? That part is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Third one I wanted to tell you, which will come in the coming slide also. Now the true length of the straight line you will get where? That means the straight line, if parallel to a specific reference plane, you will get the true length there in that reference plane. Okay, so in the present case, the line is parallel to vertical plane and the line is also parallel to horizontal plane. Clear? So in that case, in the both the cases, in the top view as well as in the front view, because the line is parallel to both the planes, therefore in the both the cases, A dash B dash is the true length and AB also true length. If you go back to the previous case, where the line is parallel to one plane and perpendicular to another plane, so in that case you can see the true length only in the parallel. Just go back, Dr. Orkadev, just go to the previous slide, just one slide, previous slide. Yeah, here you see, now the line is parallel to vertical plane. Therefore, you can see the true length of the line is parallel to the true length of the line you can find out in the vertical plane. Say whatever 30 millimeter, 40 millimeter or 50 millimeter, A dash B dash, you will get the true length. And the dimension you can see, the extension line has been taken and dimension, whatever way it has been shown, in that way you have to see. Is that clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the next slide, Dr. Orkadev is going to say about the line parallel to one plane and inclined to other plane. Here you understand what are the different things. So, Dr. Rakadev, you can proceed now.
Yes, okay, sir. Okay, so let us now proceed with the case when a straight line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Now, students, can you tell me one thing? Just from this statement, we can have one conclusion. Can you tell me what is that?
So the true value will be only in one plane.
The true length will be on which plane?
VP.
Vertical plane.
Very good. So, line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So, from this I can say true length will be on VP and on HP I will have apparent length. So I can say this just from this statement. Now, how this is happening, let us check that out. So this is the case where you have a straight line which is parallel to VP and inclined to HP. Okay, this is a straight line AB. So mostly inclination with HP is denoted by theta. Inclination with HP is denoted by theta. Okay, so this straight line is inclined at an angle theta with HP. So let us draw the front view. I draw the projections like this. Okay, and then I draw the top view. Okay, like this. So here, if you just have a look at this, I draw projector onto the VP, I draw projector onto the VP for both A and B, and I join it, right? So I'll get the true length on VP and I will get the same inclination also on the VP, right? Now, when I am drawing straight lines onto the HP, when I draw the projectors, the length of the projection that I'm going to get, this is actually shorter than the line that you have. Say if this AB is 30 mm, then this top view will be shorter than 30 mm. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, obviously this will be shorter because this is inclined. The more you increase the inclination, okay, the more you increase inclination, shorter will be the top view. Am I correct? More you increase inclination with HP, shorter will be the top view.
Yes.
Is my statement correct?
Yes, sir.
And you are going to get the true length and inclination where on VP. And how will it look like on your drawing sheet? Let us just check it out. So it will look something like this. Okay. Now let us take a problem. A straight line AB is inclined at 30° with HP and parallel to length of AB is 40 mm. Point A lies 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Say I have a problem like this. A straight line AB is inclined at 30 degree with HP and parallel to VP. Now length of AB is 40 mm. Point A lies 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Now you have to draw its projections. So how will you do it? This is my reference line, right? First I will locate point A. Point A lies 30 mm above HP. So this is A. Say this is 30 mm. This will be A dash, right? Point A lies 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So I draw a projector now. Projector like this now. So here say this is 40 mm. This is 40 mm. This is my point A, right? So I have clearly located point A. This part of the problem is over. Now it is given to me the straight line AB is inclined at 30 degree with HP. Okay. So now since it is inclined at 30 degree with HP, I draw a inclined line like this at 30 degree with HP. Okay. Next, what I am going to do is I am going to take length 40 mm. Length of AB is 40 mm. I keep my compass here. I take 40 mm and I cut it here like this. So this will be my point B dash. I draw straight extension lines like this. Okay, I join from A dash to B dash. I draw extension line like this. This will be 40. This is point A dash and this is point B dash. Right? Up to this it is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Next, what I'll do is I will draw a projector again like this from B dash. I will draw a projector, right? From B dash, I will draw a projector like this. Okay. And from A, I will draw a projector like this. And then I can locate point B. I can easily locate point B. I draw a straight line from here and I draw a straight line from point A. Can I do that? Can I do that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
So when the straight line is inclined with VP, I am getting my true shape on the, sorry, it is inclined with HP and parallel to VP. I get the true shape on VP, right? And I will get the apparent length on HP. Okay. Now
Sir, how will you
also
show the
A dash
inclination?
and A will lie on same straight line. B dash and B will lie on same straight line. And this top view that you have drawn, it will be parallel to the XY line, right?
Sir.
Top view will be parallel to XY line. So from A, if I draw a straight line like this, which meets this straight line, then I will easily be able to locate point B.
Yes, sir.
So with this, my projection is complete.
Sir.
Now, I will not give the dimension of AB. I have given dimension of A dash B dash, but the dimension of apparent length, it is not required.
Sir,
Yes. Now your question.
sir, we will not show the inclination of the line A dash B dash.
Yes, I have to show dimension 30 degree.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
what are my important conclusions from this?
Sir, true
Inclination
length is
with
Dimension
HP
given
is
by the
denoted by theta. That is one important conclusion. More you increase inclination with HP, shorter will be the top view. true length will be on VP and true inclination will be on VP, apparent length will be on HP. What more can you conclude from this one? A very important conclusion needs to be drawn from here. What is that?
Cannot have to make dimension of the apparent length.
Yes, yes.
Dimension length का dimension नहीं मतलब apparent length
That
का
is
dimension.
okay. That is okay. That is one conclusion. Another very important conclusion. I will give you one hint. See here, from B dash, I'm
Both
drawing a
AB,
straight
B
line.
dash and B
From
line are
A,
on the
I am
same
drawing
plane.
a straight line, right? A parallel to the XY line. So what is the conclusion from this?
A dash और A और B dash और B दोनों सेम लाइन में रहेगा.
हाँ, वो भी तो है, लेकिन मैंने क्या किया है, B dash से देखो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ किया है और AB को पैरेलल बनाया है XY लाइन के साथ. क्यों?
दोनों के बीच का इंक्लिनेशन 30 डिग्री शो करने के लिए.
So my important conclusion is that when
का डायमेंशन नहीं चाहिए.
when my top view is parallel to XY line and front view is inclined, right? Then what does it denote? A straight line.
Inclined to HP and parallel to VP.
Exactly. I'm just going backwards. I'm just going backwards. So this denotes a straight line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So if my straight line is inclined to HP, then the top view will be parallel to XY line. Is it clear to you? This concept is very,
Yes,
very
sir.
important.
Sir,
Yes.
actually my net is lagging. So you can repeat how would you take B dash? B dash point कैसे बना?
कौन सा क्या बना? B dash कैसे
B
बना?
dash, हाँ.
B dash कैसे बना? I will repeat that.
सर वो 30 डिग्री एंगल कॉम्पास से बनाएंगे या प्रोट्रैक्टर से?
प्रोट्रैक्टर से बना सकते हो. You can draw it using a protractor. Okay. So first, Manish, right? This is Manish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Manish. So first, what I'll do is I will draw the XY line. Correct? Then I will locate point A. So A is 30 mm above HP. So this is 30, right? And point A is 40 mm in front of VP, right? So this is say 40 mm like this. This is point A, right? Now it is given to me that the straight line is inclined at 30 degree with HP, right? So it is 30 degree with HP. So here what I am doing is, I will draw a straight line at an angle 30 degree. And this will be how much length? 40 mm. And this will be my point B dash. This is how I am getting B dash. Is it clear, Manish, now?
Yes, sir. नहीं आप
From point A, you draw an inclined straight line at 30 degree. You use your compass and mark length 40. You can do it?
Yes, sir.
Now from B dash, what I am doing is, I am drawing a straight line like this. And from, so this is, sorry, just a moment. This is my point A dash, this is point B dash, this is point A. So from B dash, I draw a perpendicular straight line like this. And from A, I draw a parallel line to XY line. So where these 2 points are meeting, that will be my point B. Now clear to you, Manish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this problem is clear to you, I suppose?
Yes, sir.
Next case, shall we proceed to the next case?
Sir, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
So here B dash is apparent length, right?
Not B dash is just a projector. B dash is projector. AB is the apparent length. A dash B dash is the true length. I'll just write it down for you. So AB, A dash B dash is my true length. And AB is my shortened length. Or you can say apparent length. Clear? Now A dash to A dash to A, that is called a projector. B dash to B, that is again a projector or projection line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
सर क्या बोले सर?
क्या बोले मतलब?
क्या बोले सर? वो नेट नहीं चल रहा था, सुनाई नहीं दिया.
हाँ, A dash to A जो blue color का line मैंने खींचा है, the blue line that I have drawn from A dash to A, that is a projector or it is a projection line. B dash to B, the blue colored line that I have drawn, that is also a projection line. Okay? A dash B dash is the true length and AB is the shortened length of AB. Small a, small b. That is what I said. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, can anyone tell me what will be dark and what will be light?
सर A dash B
Sir,
dash
A
वाला
dash.
लाइन डार्क रहेगा, AB वाला
AB
लाइन
वाला-
डार्क रहेगा और A dash
Yes.
से वाला लाइन लाइट रहेगा, B dash से B वाला लाइन लाइट रहेगा और
Right.
जो हम लोग 40
सर जो
लिखते
ट्रू
हैं,
लेंथ है वो भी डार्क रहेगा.
Right. This dimension text 40, 30 and 40, that will be dark. The dimension line will be again thin continuous line. Okay. So dark lines
Yes,
are
sir.
called thick continuous line and lighter lines that you are drawing with 2H pencil, that is called thin continuous line. Okay.
सर 30 डिग्री भी थिक होगा ना, HB
30,
होगा ना.
30 degree will be dark and this angular angle that you are marking with arrowhead like this, that will be again thin continuous line.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
And sir, one more question. Sir,
Yes.
for the 40 mm, we are drawing a line, dimension line.
Yes.
That is dark or thin.
That is thin continuous. The text
And sir,
that you are mentioning 40, 30 or 40, that will be dark. The arrowhead that you are drawing and the line that you are drawing, dimension line that you are drawing, that will be thin continuous.
Okay, sir.
Right? So shall we move to the next case?
Yes, sir.
So a line inclined to VP and parallel to HP now, right? So since the line is parallel to HP, I will get what? True length on HP and shortened length on VP. That I should be getting, right?
Yes, sir.
In this case, which view will be parallel to XY line? which
Front view.
view will be parallel to XY line?
Sir, above view.
The top view.
Top view.
Top view, sure.
Front view.
पिछला केस में टॉप व्यू में हुआ था.
Front view, sir. Front view.
Front view, sir.
So which view will be parallel to XY line? Front view.
Front view.
Front view.
And inclination and true length will be observed in top view.
Top view.
Right? So I'll just show you this one. This is my inclined line AB. So inclination with VP is denoted by phi. Inclination with HP is theta and inclination with VP is phi. Right? So I'll just draw the top view like this. AB, the same inclination you are getting here. You draw the front view. You get this as parallel to the XY line. So this is how it will look like. Is it clear? Do I need to explain any
Yes, sir.
problem related to this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just I wanted to tell you something here. Student, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, from the final diagram that Dr. Orkadev had shown here, A dash B dash is the front view and AB is the top view. Now, from the figure, just you see the figure, and from the figure, without looking at the question, from the figure, can you tell me that the line is parallel to HP? How can you say this one? Final figure. Final figure is the right hand side figure.
This one is the final figure.
True length, sir. By
no, no.
true length.
The true length, you can say that is parallel to HP.
Now you see two things are there. One thing is from the true length that you are getting on the HP, that is the AB, right? From that one you can say that the line is parallel to HP. Also, another point I wanted to stress here is that A dash B dash. You see the A dash B dash which is appearing in the VP, right? Now A dash B dash is parallel to XY. A dash B dash, you can see A dash B dash parallel to XY. Also that one you can say parallel to HP. That is a straight line. Parallel to XY and parallel to HP also it is called. Right? From that one, see AB is inclined. Okay, and AB is inclined to VP. Right? And here you see A dash B dash is the line is parallel to HP. That means the line is parallel to HP. इससे भी तुम्हें पता चलेगा. From the diagram itself you can say. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? A dash B dash parallel to XY and also parallel because HP is below the VP. So in the VP A dash B dash, so that is parallel to HP. Therefore you can say so this is parallel to HP. Because इसका जो concept है, this concept also required in the further study. अब आगे जब जाएंगे inclined to both the planes, उसका भी एक application आएगा. इसलिए मैं इसको point out कर रहा हूँ. आगे जाकर तुम्हें पता चलेगा इसको. ठीक है? थोड़ा इसके बारे में ध्यान दो. ठीक है? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Dr. Orkadev, you can continue.
Okay, sir, this part is over, so I'll move to straight line inclined to both HP and VP. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, students, so I'll just give a problem in this figure itself. You can practice it at home. Okay, so a straight line AB
Please note
has
down this
length.
problem. All of you, please note down this problem.
So a
And it's
straight line
practical problem.
AB has length 40 mm and inclined with VP at 30 degree. The line is parallel to HP. Point A is 30 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. Draw its projection. So you will be able to do this problem?
Yes.
Right? Simply
Yes, sir.
you draw the, just a little bit hint, you draw the XY line, you locate point A dash, you locate point A, right? It is inclined with VP, draw the inclination like this, draw a straight line from B downwards, draw a straight line from A dash like this, and you get B dash. Show the true length here, okay? Show the dimension here, this dimension, and show this dimension here. Right? So this is how you should be doing it. So this is your hint. Now let us move to a very, very important case, which is, so up to now you have learnt about a straight line which is parallel to both HP and VP, right? It is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP, or the opposite. Or you have learnt about a straight line inclined to HP and parallel to VP and opposite of that one. So these are the cases. So 5 cases up to now you have learned, right? Total of 5 cases. 2 perpendicular cases, 2 inclined cases, and 1 parallel case. So these are the 5 cases that you have learned till now. Now my difficulty will arise where? When I will be having a straight line which is inclined to both HP and VP. Okay? In that case, I have to combine this case I have to combine, and also I have to combine this case, right? Line inclined to HP and parallel to VP, I will combine this one with this one. Okay? Both these cases we are going to combine to get the final projection of a straight line which is inclined to both HP as well as VP. Let us see it. Let us just check out how it happens. So a straight line inclined to both VP and HP. Okay, let us see the case. This is your XY line. This is AB. You have to draw the front view and you have to draw the top view. Okay, so this is how you are going to get. Okay, now this alpha and beta, okay, now true inclination with HP is denoted by theta, true inclination with VP is denoted by phi, apparent inclination with HP is shown as alpha, apparent inclination with VP is denoted as beta, right? So here in the view that you are going to get in the front view, there also you are going to get apparent length or shortened length. Also in top view, you are going to get shortened length. Okay, and the inclination with HP, apparent inclination with HP, that is alpha, and with VP, that is denoted as beta. So in both front view or top view, you are not going to get the true shape, and instead you are going to get some shortened shape. Any questions up to this? Is it clear to you? Mind you, this alpha and beta, they are not the true inclinations. Okay? They are not the true inclinations. Clear? Now I will explain you the concept, how to get this and this. Okay? How we are going to combine the previous two cases to arrive at this figure. Okay? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Right.
So, what is the difference between apparent inclination and true inclination?
Say if my straight line is inclined with HP and parallel to VP, right? Inclined with HP and parallel to VP, right? So it will look something like this, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this inclination, say it is inclined with HP at say 30 degree. So here also I will take 30 degree, correct? In the projection also.
Yes.
But here you will see, after I explain the concept to you, that this A dash B dash, the inclination that you get with reference plane XY line, that is not the true inclination. Okay, say if I just, for example, if I say that a straight line AB inclined with HP at 30 degree and VP at 45 degree, right? So this alpha that you are going to get, that will not be equal to 30 degree. This beta that you are going to get, that will not be equal to 40 degree, or rather 45 degree. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, so I have erased this one. Now please pay very careful attention to this concept, okay, that I'll be telling you. So now, say if I have a straight line, say I have a straight line like this, okay, or rather, say I have a straight line which is inclined at 30 degree with HP. 30 degree with HP. Okay. So this is how it will look like. Say this is 30 degree. This is A dash and this is B dash. This is A and this is B. Right. Now, if I keep on increasing the inclination, then what will happen? Can you tell me?
AB gets shorter.
I keep point A
decrease.
fixed. I keep point A fixed and I keep on increasing the inclination. Then what will happen?
The length
AB
of
will
AB
reduce in length.
AB will decrease.
AB shorter हो जाएगा.
It becomes a point.
So मान लो इसको 60 डिग्री कर दिया मैंने, तो ये ऐसे आ गया मान लो. Say it is something like this. This AB will become shorter and shorter and shorter. Right? And this inclination will keep on increasing like this, like this, like this. Correct? So here now I will explain you something very, very interesting. Something very, very interesting. So here, say I have a straight line like this. This is my planes. So this is my point A. Say this is point B. Now I'll draw the projection like this. So here I get the true shape. This is A dash, this is B dash, and here I get the shortened length AB like this, right? So this is the case when it is inclined with HP and parallel to VP, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now if I start moving point B and if I start giving inclination to this straight line with respect to VP, then what will happen? Can you tell me? This is my straight line, XY line, okay? This point A dash is fixed. I will keep point B also fixed. I will not change the height of B. Point A is fixed from the point A from HP, that height I am fixing it. Height of point B also I am fixing it. Okay, I am not changing the height of point A or B from the HP. Point A I am making it completely fixed and I am rotating this straight line. I am moving point B in such a manner so that I am giving inclination to this AB now with respect to VP. Okay, then what will happen? Can you tell me?
A dash, B
A dash,
dash,
B dash
B
gets
dash,
shorter.
this is AB. Now how this figure will change? Can you tell me?
A dash, B dash gets shorter.
So if I do not change the height of B from HP and I start giving this straight line inclination with respect to VP, then what will happen? This
Sir,
point
AB
B
will-
will move behind this B dash,
Yes, sir.
like, right? If I give more inclination with respect to VP, then again this point B will move behind. Again it will further move behind, right? It will again further move behind like this. And all these B dash, they will lie on straight line like this, B dash, B dash, B dash, like this. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Point A is completely fixed. Point B, height of point B with respect to HP, that is fixed. And I am moving point B in such a way so that this line is getting inclined to VP. So in the front view, what will happen? B dash will keep on moving behind and behind and behind like this, like this, like this, like this. Is it clear? Now
Yes, sir.
what will happen to
sir.
the top view now? What will happen to the top view for this small b? What will happen to that?
Sir, it will start moving down.
It will rotate.
It will rotate. It will rotate. Very good. So this point A is fixed. AB will be the radius. Okay, point A fixed. AB radius. Point B will rotate. Right? Like this. like this, like this, like this, like this. So you can have one AB like this. You can have one AB like this. You can have one AB like this, right? So this is one locus line, and this A dash B dash, that is another locus line, right? So this is one locus, sorry. So this is one locus line, and this is another locus line. Another locus line. Up to this, is it clear to you?
Sir, point B, how it will rotate, sir, is not clear though.
This point A is fixed. I am giving, again, my height of B is also fixed, right? I am just moving this straight line. Point A को fix करके I am moving this line. I am giving inclination with respect to VP. So what will happen to this one now? So it will move like this. This top view, clear? And
Yes, sir.
since this height is fixed, on the front view, it will move back and back and back like this. So this is B dash. This is again B dash like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you got it now?
Yes,
Why
sir.
this is making a curve and why this is making a straight line? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now coming to the next case. Say this is your VP and this is your HP. Now coming to the case, like this, okay? Now say I have a straight line which is inclined to VP like this. This is AB, right? So here what are you going to get? On the top view you are going to get AB like this, and in the front view you are going to get A dash B dash like this, right? So this is the case when straight line is inclined with VP and parallel to HP, right? Again, I am completely fixing point A. Height from HP and distance from VP, that is completely fixed. Now this point B, I am fixing the distance from VP, okay? Fix distance of B from VP, okay? Fix distance of B from VP. Now if I start giving inclination to this one, like this, if I start giving inclination to point B with respect to HP now, then what will happen to my front view and what will happen to my top view? Can you tell me? What will happen to the locus of this B dash?
Rotate, rotate.
Rotate, sir.
So here, this point A fixed, A dash, taking A dash, B dash as radius, sorry, it will keep on rotating like this. So this is B dash, this is B dash like this, correct? Okay? It will rotate like this, and what will happen to this B? What will happen to this point B? It will come back like this, like this, like this, like this, a straight line. So how will it look like here? So this is my XY line like this, okay? This is my AB. This is my A dash, B dash. So here now I draw the locus line like this. So here you have B dash like this. So here you have B dash like this. Here you have B dash like this. And here point B comes back behind and behind and behind like this. So here you have B. Again on this straight line you have B. Again on this straight line you have B. And it will come back like this, like this, like this. Clear? Absolutely clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will take a problem and I will
सर
explain you
बी जो है
how to. Yes.
सर बी जो है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन में कैसे जाएगा वो एचपी का
तुम
बात
एक
कर
काम करो. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. I'll explain again. Okay. This camera is visible to you. Whatever I am showing in the camera.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is my line inclined with VP.
Yes, sir.
Say this is my line inclined with VP. Okay, you hold your copy like this. Okay. Now fix point A. You hold your copy and your pen. You fix one point A and you increase inclination like this with respect to HP. Increase with respect to HP. Just do it. Okay. Like this. This is inclined. Inclined with respect to HP. Now you keep increasing. Okay. With respect to HP, you keep on increasing like this. Like this. Just try it. Just try it. Okay. So then you will get to know now why it is changing. Is it clear now? Is it clear to you now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Right. It teach you how to take up a problem and how to solve it. So let us now take a problem.
If the axis of boiler is horizontal, we call it boiler is horizontal. Horizontal boiler. If the axis is vertical,
Right.
then
So a straight line, say,
boiler is that type of boiler is called vertical axis boiler. Similarly, if the axis is inclined, then it is called
the straight line AB
each
is
boiler,
inclined
boiler or vertical boiler or
at
inclined boiler
30
will have
degree
advantage,
with HP
will have some
and 40 degree with VP. Okay. So a straight line AB is inclined at 30 degree with HP and 40 degree with VP. Clear? So length of straight line
easily recoverable.
say 50 mm. Okay. Point A is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of BP. Draw its projections. The problem is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So you have a straight line AB which is inclined at 30 degree with HP and 40 degree with VP. Okay. The length of the straight line is 50 mm. Point A is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Draw its projection. So how will I do it? So here I have to draw the figure in 2 steps. Okay. Let us see how.
Heat is absorbed by water to become steam.
Just a moment.
This is hot air. Some we can utilize this hot air for some other purpose. Preheat the water. So it is designed in such a way that there will be no wastage of heat. As I told you, 5 tubes, generally 5 heat tubes through which the hot gases from a furnace passes and around which the water to be converted to steam. As I told you,
Okay. So now coming to this problem. Okay. Draw its projection. So first what I will do is I will draw a straight line. This is my XY line, right? Now I will locate point A. So it is 30 mm above HP. Okay. Say this is 30 mm above HP. I draw the projector and 40 mm in front of VP. This is basically 40 mm in front of VP. Okay. So I have found out point A dash and I have found out point A. Right. So first, so step 1, locate point A dash and A. Right. This is my step 1. My step 2 will be consider inclination with HP only. Okay, in my step 2, I will consider inclination only with HP. Okay, so what is my inclination with HP?
30 degree.
30 degree. So at 30 degree, I'll draw a straight line like this. At 30 degree, I'll draw a straight line like this. Okay, I will take length. What is the length of my line? 50 mm. Okay, I'll take 50 mm. Okay, this is my point A dash. This is my point A. Here, say this is B1 dash. Say this is B1 dash. This is B1 dash. Okay. Next, I will draw a straight line. Since I am considering it inclination only with HP, I'll draw a straight line like this and I'll join it. And this will be point B1. Is it clear to you? Simple. This is
Yes, sir.
how much?
Yes,
This is 30 degree. Clear? Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am going to draw the locus line. Now keeping B fixed with respect to HP, if I start giving inclination, then what will happen to this B1 dash? It will move back like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in my next step, I will draw step 3, give inclination with VP and draw locus line of B1 dash and B1.
Excuse me, sir.
So this is my locus line of B1 dash and this is my locus line of B1 that we have seen in the last figure, right? Yes, someone was saying something.
So in the first step, what you write, locate point A dash and A dash.
Sorry, it will be A dash and A.
Yes, sir.
You are perfectly correct. A dash and A.
Will this be available
Okay.
in the CPT?
So next I give inclination with VP and draw locus line of B1 dash and B. So this will be locus line of B1 dash and B1. Correct? Now coming to step 4. Step 4. Okay. Consider inclination. Mind you, whatever I am drawing with this blue color, okay, that will be thin continuous. So now consider inclination with VP only. Now if I consider inclination with VP only, okay, then what will I get? Okay, please give dimension of this B1 dash. Okay, draw this one. This dimension will be nothing but how much? 50. This dimension must be given. This 30 degree must be given. Okay, mention this 30 degree. So this 30 degree, obviously it is what? Theta. Okay, theta equal to 30 degree. Now I give inclination with VP. I consider inclination only with VP now. Then what will I get? So with VP, how much is it inclined? 40 degree with VP. So at 40 degree, I draw a line like this. Okay. So this is 40 degree. Right? And I locate, say this is B2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And this will be how much? You draw this one. This is also how much? 50.
50.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So now this B2, I am going to complete it like this. So what will be its front view and top view? Something like this. Draw a perpendicular line like this. This will be B2 dash. Okay. Now what will be my step 5? What will be my step 5? Give inclination with HP and draw locus line of B2 and B2 dash. Now I have to draw locus line of B2 and B2 dash. What will be the locus line of B2? It will come back like this, like this, like this, like this. So this will be my locus line of B2 and my locus line of B2 dash will again be a curve. taking A dash B2 dash as radius, so it will be a curve like this, right? Now, where the straight lines intersect, this is step 5. Step 6, locate intersection of the locus lines. Okay, so where is it intersecting? So here is one point where it is intersecting, and here is another point where it is intersecting, right? So this will be my B dash, and this will be my point B, final projection. Okay, I join A dash to B dash, and I join A to B. Okay, and I join A to B, right? And if I draw the projections correctly, then B dash, if final check, okay, B dash and B should be in a straight line. Okay, now this B dash and B, this should be in a same straight line if you draw the projection correctly. So could you follow these steps? You just
Yes, sir.
try it at home. Whatever
Yes, sir.
steps
Yes,
that
sir.
I have mentioned, you just try it at home. Okay. Now you tell me which one will be dark and which one will be light.
Sir, A dash, B dash, and AB will be dark.
Yes.
Uh,
Sir, and all
A
the
dash,
dark,
30 and 40 will be dark.
Okay. Now here, let me mention one more thing. Phi is equal to 40 degree. Now what is my apparent inclination? This is alpha. Okay.
alpha.
And
Yes.
this is beta. Clear now? What is alpha
Yes,
and
sir.
beta? Very good. So
Will
now,
we write the dimension of alpha and beta?
no need to write dimension of alpha and beta.
Okay.
Okay? No need to write dimension of alpha and beta. Okay? So now, you know which one will be dark and which one will be light.
Sir, one question. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, all the green line and blue line will be thin continuous, right?
Which one?
All the green line and blue line.
All the green lines and blue lines will be thin continuous. Okay? Just 30 degree and 40 degree that I have marked, that you make it dark so that you can understand the dimension. Okay?
And sir, A dash, B dash, and AB will be also.
This 50, this length 50, you can either mention it here. Okay? This A1 dash, A dash, B1 dash, either you mention that one 50 or you mention A, B2 as 50. Anyone. Okay?
No, sir, I am telling, sir, A dash, B dash, and AB will be also thick continuous.
That will be thick continuous. A dash, B dash, and AB. That is my final projection. That will be dark.
Yes, sir. And sir, all other dimension will be thin continuous.
Yes. Remaining everything will be thin continuous. So is this clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So in the next class, we are going to learn about, we are going to continue and try some more problems on straight line inclined with both HP and VP. Up to this, you have to practice at home. Okay, whatever problems I have shown you today, whatever I'll share the slide with you, whatever that I have shown you today, you practice that at home, okay, using your drawing sheet. So in the next class, we are going to discuss some more advanced problems and we can discuss traces of a line. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Any questions? Yes.
sir, B dash will be perpendicular to XY.
Which one?
BB dash.
BB dash, obviously it will be perpendicular to XY line. Of course, that is a projection line. AA dash will be perpendicular to XY line. Okay?
Sir, it is,
Yes, yes.
it is possible to make a line using first angle projection and second angle projection, or like that.
I did not get you.
Sir, first quadrant or second quadrant या third quadrant या fourth quadrant का यूज करके एक लाइन बनाना पॉसिबल है?
क्यों नहीं पॉसिबल है? सब कुछ पॉसिबल है.
Yes, sir.
But we are going to consider on first angle projection, okay? Because according to Indian standard, okay, we either follow first angle projection or third angle. If you follow second or fourth angle projection, okay, then what will happen? This view, this front view and this top view, if they coincide, will you be able to understand anything?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we will follow either first angle or third angle. To be more specific, for your course, we are going to follow first angle projection. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, do we need to do the tutorial set in the AutoCAD also?
I'll teach you AutoCAD. You have to practice AutoCAD. You don't have to submit anything in AutoCAD. Okay? I'll just teach you so that you can practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
After I complete the theoretical portion, I will teach you AutoCAD.
Sir, do we need to mention the length of
Just
AB
a
and A
moment.
dash B dash
Just a
also,
moment.
sir?
Just a moment. जी सर. हाँ सर. सर अटेंडेंस तो डाउनलोड हो जाएगा ना सर? हाँ 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 सर, वो मैं रिकॉर्ड रखता हूँ अटेंडेंस का. सर यहाँ तक आज खत्म कर देता हूँ और नेक्स्ट क्लास में ट्रेसेस. Okay. Hello.
You just complete it here, okay? Whatever
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
have, let them clarify, and then you can give one or two sample problem, 2 to 3
Yes.
inclined to one plane. Okay, has to give one. You give
Yes,
only
sir.
2 to 3 problem inclined to one plane and inclined to both plane. One problem you can give 2 to 3 problem, not much than that, more than that. So they can practice that one at their home.
Yes, sir. They will practice at their home.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, the curve B2 dash, B dash and lines B dash 1 and B dash, they will be all dotted.
No, 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 no. Thin continuous.
Okay, sir.
सर
Thin
apparent
continuous.
length mention नहीं करना है क्या सर?
क्या?
Apparent length AB और A dash
नहीं
B dash.
नहीं, apparent length mention नहीं करना है. Not required.
What about A dash and A dash B dash line? It is like thick continuous only, na?
AB and A dash B dash will be thick.
Okay.
Thick continuous line.
The points. And the projector line A dash and B dash are will in continuous.
Now this B2 dash, B1 dash, you can make them thin continuous. But the marking A alphabet A, B, A dash, B dash, that should be dark. Okay.
Sir, distance between A dash and B dash is there or only?
Which A dash and B dash?
Sir, A dash and B dash. Sir. Distance there is
no distance is given for that.
Yes.
Whatever that is given in the problem, this is it. From that we have drawn. Stepwise.
Yes.
No distance of B or B dash is given to you. Okay. Any more questions? Any more questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so we can end the class here today. I'll share the materials with you and some assignment questions with you so that you can practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So see you in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
You
sir.
can leave for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.